Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a small fabric, well, I think it's fabric, haul from Aliexpress. I wanted to show you. Oh, look, it's a bag and a bag and a bag. Let's see what I did get. I got these for a purpose, and I could not find anything like this in our fabric stores. So, uh-oh, I cut it. I sure did. I don't know if I cut the fabric or not. That's why you take your time. That's why I'm supposed to take my time, but you know me, I'm slice and go. Oh yeah, these are cute. Oh yeah. Have you all been loving the Cheeky Monkey Mondays as much as I do? Oh my goodness. I bought, oh my God, that is so cute. And that's a good size. I really like that size. Some monkey fabric. Put that up for next year. Oh, that is cute. Oh, these are great sizes for the doll. Yeah, I cut that right open. Now let's see what this one is, because I'm expecting another one too. Look at me, I just cut that, and do I slow down? Have I ever slowed down? Not really. Okay. Oh yeah, this is cute too. I have another sock monkey fabric, and I might put the two together and I might not. Oh, those are cute. This, I guess, is my favorite of the, let's pull it out. Oh, that's cute. That is so cute. Take a look at this. Oh, cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.